how to refund games on Steam. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to log into your Steam account, as you can see from here, and after that let me tell you one thing, that you must maintain the following things. Like, you must not play the game more than 2 hours, and the game purchase date cannot be more than 14 days, and then you can just refund games on Steam. So for the refund, you just have to click on support from here, and when you click on support, after logging in, there you will see a option of your games, as you can see, like this ones. You just have to simply click on the game, and then you just have to tell about the details and why you want to refund the game, and after that you have to follow the instructions, and then you can get the refund of the specific games on Steam. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.